Oh, hello.
No! No! Eh! Eh!
Hello.
Córrele, cierra la puerta ahora. Close the door. Dave, te estás chingando mi...
Oh my gosh.
Fish flew right above you, huh?
You have 2 cookies, and I don't have any.
Be careful, buddy.
Oh my God. Tucker, place.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my God! So chunky.
I'm so sorry.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magno! You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Oh.
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
Can you read this? Oh my God!
There you go.
Come on out.
Good boy, Kenneth.
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
No, you.
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact? Good one.
You don't belong in there.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it? Gotta let it go, baby.
What are you doing?
She ain't moving.
No, she is not.
He's gonna drown himself. No! You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop! Stop!
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Those were her hands.
Who did?
Bad dog. Go. Go. Huh?
Oh my god.
Did you steal the Wi-Fi? Did you?
Where did you get that? Careful.
Little Black, hang on. Oh gosh.
What?
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
What? What is going on?
No. You're evil. Evil, evil. Oh!
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want hat? Ping.
No, you jumped over these double big
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
Hey. Oh, ni sama saja. Eh.
No!
Come on. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Oh my god. Oh.
She's biting me.
Oh, I got her! Oh.
Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
Și să nu-i pliculesc cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
Hey, what's up? Oh no.
Baby. Bless you, 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 bless you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a stance.
What it's like having an XL bully.
You are a fox. Funky.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Is it time for smelling salts?
What's this? Oh!
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Oh my god.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Luffy, stay. Stay!
Oh god.
Is the cactus your best friend?
Try not to let your cat pet you.
What are you doing?
This.
Are you happy, Kermit? I am too. I am.
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you. Do you have my back? Come on, let's go. I know they're gonna fight us. Come on.